Ever tried splitting a dinner bill with friends and realized none of you have cash? Or maybe you need to send a quick birthday gift to a loved one across the country. Traditional bank transfers can be slow and inconvenient, leaving you scrambling to find an ATM or wait for funds to clear. There's a reason peer-to-peer, P2P, payment services like Zelle have exploded in popularity. They offer a fast, secure way to send and receive money directly between bank accounts. But with so many banks out there, it's natural to wonder, does Ally Bank even use Zelle? The answer is a resounding yes. Ally Bank fully integrates Zelle into their online and mobile banking platforms, making it a breeze to send and receive money with ease. Let's dive deeper into how Zelle works with Ally Bank and how you can leverage it for your financial needs. First things first, how exactly does Zelle work? Imagine it as a giant digital address book for your bank accounts. Instead of needing someone's full bank account details, you simply use their registered email address or US mobile number to send money directly. This eliminates the risk of typos or sending funds to the wrong account. Here's the beauty of Zelle: transactions are typically lightning fast. As long as the recipient is already enrolled in Zelle, the money will appear in their account within minutes. This makes it perfect for those situations where you need to settle up quickly, like that group dinner bill we mentioned earlier. Now, let's get you set up with Zelle on Ally Bank. The process is incredibly user-friendly. Simply log into your Ally Bank online account or open their mobile app. Look for the Payments section and navigate to Zelle. Here, you'll be prompted to link your checking or savings account to Zelle. Ally Bank allows you to use your spending, savings, or money market accounts with Zelle. Just keep in mind that sending money will count towards your monthly transaction limits for those accounts. Once your account is linked, you can start sending and receiving money with ease. Zelle will ask you for the recipient's registered email address or US mobile number and the amount you want to send. You can even add a quick memo to the transaction, like dinner last night, for easy reference. Security is always a top concern when transferring money online. Ally Bank takes security seriously, employing multi-factor authentication and fraud prevention measures to keep your transactions safe. Zelle also utilizes encryption technology to protect your information. Here are some additional things to keep in mind when using Zelle with Ally Bank. Transaction limits. Ally Bank has set limits on how much money you can send and receive through Zelle per day and month. These limits are in place to help prevent fraud and ensure responsible money management. You can find the current limits on Ally Bank's website or within their mobile app. Double-check recipient information. Since Zelle uses email addresses or phone numbers, it's crucial to ensure you have the correct recipient information before sending money. A typo could result in your funds going to the wrong account. Use Zelle with people you trust. Remember, Zelle transactions are typically final and cannot be reversed. Only use Zelle to send money to people you know and trust. With Zelle integrated into Ally Bank's platform, managing your finances becomes a breeze. Whether you're splitting a bill with friends, sending rent to your landlord, or sending a gift to a loved one, Zelle offers a fast, secure, and convenient way to transfer money directly between bank accounts. So, the next time you need to send or receive money quickly, remember that Ally Bank has you covered with Zelle. For more information on Zelle and its functionalities with Ally Bank, be sure to check out their website or reach out to their customer service team. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.